This is the first student farm we've done. We're hoping this farm will serve as a playground for students to have hands-on experience in vegetable production, and also it can be used potentially for applied research and for a variety of different outreach activities.
I hope that in time that we also can evolve this into a productive place and also a very beautiful place that is a great educational opportunity and provides fresh locally grown food to our campus and community.
I really wanted to do this because as an undergrad, I'd asked about it and it wasn't a thing yet. Got started because Dr. Lee came up to me and asked me if I would be interested, and I said absolutely. I'm super excited to see where this is going to go. I know I learn a lot better with hands-on, so this is a chance for me to get more experience hands-on and help others.
It's really nice that we get to do this project with the student farm. I think it's a great learning opportunity for students, but also for stakeholders. This year the main target was to do a jump start so it can keep going next years.